Hello there. So we're going to have to take a little different route today because I will not be here. And I would like for you to go ahead and open up actually your sub, if you're in person. We'll give you a paper copy of this choice board. If not, you can open it up. It says it's 2 pages, but there's only one. Fun part about using editing software in PDF. Sometimes it doesn't work very well. So there's several different topics here, and if you're in the 1st hour class or 8th hour class, you pick one of these today. And if you're in one of my block classes, block B or block C, you pick 2. And then do your research with it. Make sure you open up and hit edit for your choice board. I left it white this time so that you could create your own background, whatever you wanted to do with it. So the directions are, again, choose 1 if you're in a skinny class, choose 2 if you're in my block, and then all of the requested information that's in your square needs to be put on your slides in this slide deck. You can use more than one slide. If you need to add a slide, you go up here to slide, hit new. If you want to change the background of things, that's not... Oh, I forgot how to do that. There's a way to do it in here. Right here. Change background, apply layout, that type of thing. You can change that stuff and get creative. And add pictures, whatever it is that you need. I look forward to seeing what you guys put together. And the labs that you would have done today, we will do next week. So have a fantastic day, and see you later.